major development. The National Investigation Agency court in Bilaspur has granted bail to 3 people, including 2 nuns from Kerala. The nuns walked free from Durg jail today after the court's order. CPI MP P Sandosh Kumar, Kerala BJP President Rajeev Chandrasekhar and other leaders were present to welcome them outside the jail in Chhattisgarh. The court approved the nuns' bail under strict conditions, including the surrender of their passports, furnishing a bond of 50,000 rupees each and 2 persons standing as sureties.
ह्यूमन ट्रैफिक को लेके केस दर्ज किए थे। बीएनएस का धारा 143 का एलिगेशन था, एक्यूजेशन था और उसके विरुद्ध ये धारा वहां लग नहीं सकता, ऐसा हमने आर्गुमेंट किया है कल। वो उस पर प्रभावित होकर माननीय न्यायालय ने आज बेल ग्रांट किया है। बेल ग्रांट में ये है कि भारत छोड़ के नहीं जाएगा और 50,000 का 2 जमानतदार और बेल बॉन्ड 50,000 का इसकी शर्तों पर दिया है।
The arrest of nuns Vandana Francis and Preethy Mary at Durg railway station had triggered outrage across Kerala and parts of the northeast. The arrests were based on a complaint filed by a Bajrang Dal functionary who alleged that the 3 had forcibly converted and attempted to traffic 3 tribal girls from Narayanpur district. Now the verdict has been welcomed by Congress party.
बात है, लेकिन इस खुशी में भी जब हम अंदर गए, सिस्टर्स को मिला, वो अपना वो होली ड्रेस पहन के जेल के अंदर था, वो बहुत ही एक इमोशनल मोमेंट था। जब ये खुशी की माहौल है अभी, लेकिन फिर भी हम ये कहना चाहते हैं जो भी ये किया, किसी ने भी ये किया, किसी का इंस्ट्रक्शंस पे ये किया, ये बजरंग दल, आरएसएस, बीजेपी का जो रियल फेस है, जो सबका पता हो गया। केरला में आकर कुछ कहते हैं, यहाँ सिस्टर्स को जेल में डालते हैं और इट इज वेरी क्लियर divisive agenda of RSS, of Bajrang Dal, of BJP is clearly visible in this case. But now in any case we are happy that sisters will be released on bail today. So we are waiting for that moment for the order to come and they will come out of the jail.
जो भी लोग मेरे पास आते हैं, हमारे पार्टी के पास आते हैं और सहायता मांगते हैं, किसी भी मत के हो, किसी भी कम्युनिटी के हो, किसी भी समुदाय के हो, हम अपना ड्यूटी मानते हैं कि उनको हेल्प करें। चर्च के लोगों ने हमसे बात की, हमसे आग्रह किया कि हम उसमें उनको हेल्प करें। हम इसके लिए हेल्प करने पिछले 6-8 दिन से काम कर रहे हैं। मैंने 5 दिन से मैंने सोया नहीं है। तो मैं ये हर चीज के मैं पॉलिटिकल नजर से नहीं देखता हूँ।
We are very happy to hear this news and thanks everyone for their support and prayer for our family. Thank you all politicians and priests and all our relatives and everyone.
My colleague Vivek is joining me on broadcast to provide us the latest information with regards to the case. Also joining us on the broadcast is author and activist Rahul Ishwar. Rahul, welcome. I will come to you with question, but let me quickly take the latest update on the case from my colleague Vivek. Vivek, over to you. Please fill us in.
Yes, the release of the 2 nuns has become a reality finally after 9 days. Of a lot of tensions and also political fight that's been happening back here in Kerala. Remember, this has become a very sensitive case for that matter. If you look at right from the day one itself, because initially there was a speculation that one of the girls, the girls who accompanied the nuns had given a statement saying that she was taken to this railway station from her hometown without her consent, and she did not have any idea where she's going to. But after that, it's based on that an FIR has been registered, and following which we saw the matter was being taken to court, and later we saw the nuns being arrested. And after that, we got the clear statement from one of these girls saying that they had gone with their own there was no other pressure, and these nuns were innocent. So basically, there was various versions that has come out, but today the NIA court has made it very, very clear that there was no pressure that was put on these girls who had accompanied the two nuns, and also remember they were Christians. So finally, the matter was closed right now, and today the NIA court has granted conditional bail to the two nuns, and that to here, there is a very sensitive matter, because this is a matter that's concerning to religions, and hence this matter has been taken up in a big way in Kerala, where the CPM and the Congress has been accusing the RSS and the Sangh Parivar and the BJP. But BJP leadership here in Kerala has taken a different stance as what the stance has been taken in Chhattisgarh. In Chhattisgarh, the Chief Minister has made it very clear that this was a case of trafficking and conversion. But here in Kerala, BJP State President Rajeev Chandrasekhar has said that they stand strongly with the nuns, and they will do all possible things to ensure that their release will be a reality. And this has happened today. But remember, this is a conditional bail. Their passports have been asked to surrender, and and hence the FIR is still not quashed. And that's exactly what the political parties and the family members of the nuns are asking right now, to quash the FIR and to end this particular case. But as far as even though the matter has been taken place in Chhattisgarh, the political headwinds
Right.
of this particular matter had its outcome here in Kerala, where we saw massive protest by a section of the church and various
Absolutely.
political parties.
Absolutely. We have different voices coming in from different corner. Vivek, thank you so much for providing us the latest. Rahul, now let me come to you, because we are looking at the political parties trying to take leverage over this particular issue. It's extremely sensitive in nature. What would be your thought on that?
Kerala is home to the oldest Christian community in the world. Back in AD 52, the holy apostle of Jesus Christ, Saint Thomas, came to Kerala, and we have a Christian community in here 400 years before the holy papacy or the Rome emerged. So it's a very sensitive issue for every person in Kerala, may it be Hindu, Muslim or Christian. I'm a Hindu right-wing activist, but majority of Hindus empathize with those nuns who are innocent. It's reflected in Rajeev Chandrasekhar's position, where he actively took up the mantle for the cause of nuns case. He sent Anup Antony here. Sean George was very active, and all the parties, Congress, CPM, everyone was very active. See, it's a collective victory of Kerala in securing the release. Many of our friends and comrades in the Bajrang Dal have misunderstood the issue. See, these guys, the Catholic nuns are not Pentecostals or any other group, fringe group, who involved in something like conversionism. They are genuine people who help out people. And Catholic Church, as Modi ji went and met Pope Francis himself. So Catholic Church is the major denomination inside the Christian community, and any disrespect to them is disrespect to the entire religious framework of Christian community itself. So it was perhaps a case of misunderstanding. Many people were overzealous in Bajrang Dal. They misunderstood this issue. Being a Hindu right-wing activist, I am mindful. Even Mahatma Gandhi said we need a anti-forced conversion law. So that's a different debate altogether. It need not be taken up along with the present context.
Absolutely. But, was the use of anti-trafficking and also, other kind of laws here justified? Don't you think it was a misuse of legal provisions? Just by listening to one side, you go on and arrest these two nuns and keep them behind bars for several days?
I mean, to be plain and blunt, you can call it misuse, misunderstanding, abuse of law, whatever you want to call it. But I would request our friends in Bajrang Dal, please don't overdo such stuff. It creates hostility, communalism, people will feel rift apart. So that is very unfortunate. People like me have connected to very many people across India, especially from Hindu right-wing organization, and told them you have misunderstood the whole issue. See, that's the reason why they were talking about trafficking, forced conversions. These things have not happened. These two nuns, especially from Kerala context, have gone to give jobs to those poor people. They were already Christians. They have converted years and years ago. So let us not make an unnecessary fuss of it. This is what really happened. And there were, see, every community, including Hindu, Muslim and Christian, we have hardline elements in them. And some of the harsh liners, let me call them harsh liners. The harsh liners did make an issue. Nobody can deny that. But we hope FIR will be quashed. The case will be withdrawn. That will be giving real justice to those nuns. And I believe 99% of Kerala, whether you are Hindu, Muslim or Christian, believer or non-believer, doesn't matter, will support that position.
Opposition is of the opinion here, Rahul, that maybe this incident actually has deepened the political parity and political polarization between Kerala as well as other BJP-ruled states.
See, an issue with, with great respect to our Hindu right-wing circles. We see Modi ji ne kaha hai, Modi ji himself said we have to take a Gandhi Sankalpa Yatra, Gandhi Marga. Or Pujaniya Sarsang Chalak Mohan Bhagavad ji is of the informed opinion that Mahatma Gandhi is the cutter Hindu. Mahatma Gandhi is the real strong Hindu, and we need to take Mahatma Gandhi's path. So when Pujaniya Sarsang Chalak Mohan Bhagavad ji and our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji says that we have to take the path of Gandhi, why do we need to go to the path of others? We have to take a moderate position. And please remember, it was Mahatma Gandhi who first argued for an anti-forced conversion law in India, because we Hindus are unorganized community. We are not organized like our Christian brothers and Muslim brothers. So naturally there is an insecurity when somebody talks of conversion or mass conversion. And it was a great Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, the holy Quran Pandit, and the first education minister of India, who spoke for the Hindu community when he connected to Cardinal Gracious of Bombay at that point of time and said, we need to understand our Hindu brothers. They get panicked when there is news of conversion. When news of mass conversion happens, they get panicked. So we need to understand the insecurities of our Hindu brothers, was the position of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad when he talked to our Christian leaders at that point of time. So let us understand the sensitivity, but here it was an overreach, overzealousness, overactiveness of some of our brothers and friends. They should refrain from doing that. We need to enforce it legally, and I hope, with due respect, people like Jyoti Sharma ji, who has literally acted like a vigilante, should not have done that. She was raising her hands to hit the face of the nuns and all. God forbid, had it happened, it would have created another chaos. So I hope our right-wing friends will see to it that there are some Lakshmana Rekhas that we cannot cross.